Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change Udemy password. So simply in order to do this, first of all, as you can see, this is the main interface of Udemy, and here you can see there are multiple courses available here to download. So simply in some cases, because we have to change password, so how you can change the password? So as you can see on the top right side profile icon, so just simply when you move here, the new drop down menu appears. So simply just go down, and here you can see the account settings option. So just click on account settings, and after that here you will directly move to this page. So now here you need to change your password. First of all, type your real password. After that, here you have to type the new password that you want to change. So in my suggestion, you have to keep a strong password. So just after that, when you type the password, simply click on change password. So when you click on change password, your password will be changed. So in this way you can change password in Udemy.